Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if your keyboard is automatically utilizing shortcuts when you're typing. So if you're using some sort of modifier key like a Control Alt or Windows key, very frequently it might get stuck or not work properly. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now on the left side, you want to select accessibility. And let me make this window a little bit wider here too. And now on the right side, underneath interaction, you want to go and select keyboard. You want to select where it says sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Make sure they're all toggled to the off position. If any of these are on, make sure they are turned off. That is very important. So again, I recommend making sure you do that. And then you may also want to, if you have an external keyboard, unplug and plug it back into your computer. See if that resolves the problem, as well as going into the search menu and typing in Device Manager. Open that up. Expand the keyboard section, and then right-click on the keyboard listed under here and select Uninstall Device. Select Uninstall. Select Yes. It will restart your computer, so give that a moment. And then make sure your keyboard is plugged into your computer, because once you restart, it will automatically update or download the applicable drivers for that device. So just give this a moment. And there you go, guys. So hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.